Tan 53 degrees equal to 4 by 3. Find tan 8 degrees. How this? So for this, let us take one identity, that is tan A minus B. So tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Now let us use this identity here. So first we want to find here tan 8 degrees. So tan 8 degrees we can write tan. So 8 degrees means we can write 53 degrees minus 45 degrees. So 8 equal to 53 minus 45. So instead of this you can write like. Now this is in the form of tan A minus B, so we can use this identity here. So tan A minus tan B. So here tan 53 degrees minus tan 45 degrees by 1 plus, so 1 plus tan A, tan 53 into tan 45. Now here you use the values now. Substitute tan 53 given 4 by 3. So 4 by 3, tan 45 we know it is equal to 1. So remember that tan 45 degrees equal to 1 by 1 plus tan 53 means 4 by 3 tan 45 into 1. Okay. Now we get here, if you simplify, 4 by 3 minus 1. So 4 minus 3 by 3. We get 1 by 3 by, here 4 by 3 into 1, 4 by 3. 4 by 3 plus 1, we get 7 by 3. Now this 3 cancel, we get 1 by 7 is the value of tan 8 degrees. Is it clear?